Hi everyone, really quick video here just to do an unboxing of a Rolex 16610 Submariner Date that we've just taken in. Nothing unusual about that. We've got 2 or 3 others in stock at the same time, so why, you might think, am I bothering doing an unboxing of this? Well, let's just have a look. That's the original Lycan box. This is the bits and bobs that come with that we normally have. Just pop that out of the way. Now, in here is the most beautiful Rolex 16610 Submariner Date. It's a 2-owner watch. I'll come back to the ownership in just a second. It's hardly ever been worn, despite being 24 years old this year. And it's unpolished, so this is definitely factory finish to the front of the lugs. Bezel never been touched. Dial hands, everything absolutely perfect. The bracelet is stiff and tight with no wear, as you can see if we open this up. Still has the case back sticker in the back there, which you can clearly read as 16610. So just a beautiful, spectacular condition Rolex Submariner Date with the original books. As we say, everything comes with original books, probably as a full set. The warranty translation document, the 2000-2001 calendar, the wallet. These are the papers, dated 2001. This is a sales receipt from 2006, from when our customer bought the watch in 2006. It went straight in the safe, and for some reason he never wore it. So it was worn very, very lightly from 2001 to 2006, as you can see from the condition, and has never been worn since. Also comes with the serial numbered tag, the chronometer seal, and the anchor that they gave you with some Submariners back then. By no means all Submariners came with an anchor. So that is a beautiful 16610 full set. Definitely a collector's specialty. Hope you like that. Please like and subscribe. We'll bring you some more. Thanks.